welcome to Elliot's garden. Can you see that we've installed 2 arbours? Do you like them? So let's see how we've done it. It looks like a fairy tale garden when I walk through the arbor.
I'm so happy to have those arbor over here actually, because the area here is quite crowded and a little bit messy as well. So the beautiful arbor kind of detracts on the ugly thing in this area. So the 2 arbors that my father-in-law he got them for me, or he gave me money, and then I ordered them. So originally we were thinking to get a different type of arbor. It was more expensive than this actually. And I thought that maybe if you just want something nice for the structure in this area, maybe we don't need to buy expensive one. And I decided to get these 2 from Bunnings. So if you remember, I got one bush over here. It's called Test of the Daffodil Rose, and this variety it can grow at a short climber or a bush, but so far I tried to trim it several times during the growing season, but the bush keep growing long and tall as well. Let me show you the stem too. This, you can see that. And so my father-in-law he saw that video when I mentioned about that, so he thought that maybe to put something in this area just support the rose and just something nice for me to look at as well. So here we go. You saw that I got 2 arbors over here. Now for the first arbor, it was quite challenging. You could saw in the video. I think I went back and forward and measure it, and not really quite messy, but I went back and forth and pull the feet up and put the feet down again. So actually I got like 2 long feet underneath it. I think I will show you, I think. And then they were like I mean the feet they were 20 centimeter deep, so I have to kind of half of hammering them down and then try you know the leg here if they fit properly, or if it's too long, you know, too far away or too tight. I have to kind of like manipulate it and to make them fit you know fit perfectly. Otherwise, they can't really stand. So at the end, when I'm very happy with that and with with the space and the way they stand, and after that, I hammered the feet really deep in the ground all the way down actually. So here is the leg, But anyway, so I did on the same, went back and forward, and on the top here also, if I did not line them up properly, and then the side over here and this side over here, they can't really slide in as well. Here, this is the area that where we can slide in. Example, if you pull this one up, this one will get out, And yeah, so at the beginning, my husband, he only helped me to put some screw on the top there, and then where did he put? And only 2 screw. This only one, and 2. So only 2 screw here, and I think 2 screw on the top there. It's very easy, and another 2 screw on this side. Yeah, I think that part is very easy, and then the other part that when I had to lay them down and a little bit challenge. But the second one is much easier because my daughter, she helped me, so she held the panel for me, and she sometimes it didn't fit properly. She lifted it up for me, and she seemed very happy to enjoy the job, and she really wanted to be in the video, so that's why I let her to talk, and she wanted to talk as well. Anyway, so how about the strength about it? It's not sturdy, I have to tell you, but for my view, I just say that it's only for decorative, not for the for the sturdiness about it. And I think it's just graceful and look beautiful, it's so elegant. And then I moved several things around here. So before I got maybe some other container of the rose here, I should put this around, and I moved one of the camellia over here. This one I do need to repot it though. It stayed in the container I think maybe for 3 years now. This one originally I got from Bunnings or from the nursery, but it was super small, and even and at that time I think I did talk to you once. My friend's son, he came over, he got the snipper out and he chopped it up. It was very short until here. You can see that he chopped until here. And then I was disappointed about it because I love this variety. This one is called Volunteer Camellia. It's really pretty. It's, so full of the petals. And another container of the camellia over here. This one I got from Bunning, I think 3 years ago as well. It was very, very small, but after 3 years, it's growing quite a bit. And again, the soil has sunken down. I do need to repot this one as well. So we have a quite heavy frost lately. So some of the bloom, they don't last long. They just got shrivel after after the night. But I do have quite a lot of flying bud here, so I got to enjoy them a few more weeks before they all shut up. And I will move this camellia and the other one I just show you. They move it back to the area where they were in the summer because this area is too hot for them. They like shaded in the summer, or at least part sun in the summer. So that is for the video today. I hope that you enjoy looking at this my new arbours. Even they are not so sturdy, but I'm quite pleased with that actually. And thank you for the gift, Dad. I'm so appreciated. And yeah, anyway, see you in next video. Bye bye.